Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lee County, central Chatham County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Goldston, or 8 miles northwest of Semford, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Pittsboro, Goldston, Crosswinds Boating Center, Crosswinds Campground, Gum Springs, Jordan Lake State Rec Area, Bynum and Seaford Boat Dock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham and Lee. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wake County, east central Chatham County.
A severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of Pittsboro, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Houston Valley, Apex, Palm Springs, Crosswinds Boating Center, Crosswinds Campground, Lake Lewis, and Newhale. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, and Wake.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County, south central Chatham County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanford, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail and localized flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Broadway, Cumnock, Tramway, and Gum Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, and Lee. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Granville County, north central Wake County, northwestern Franklin County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wake Forest, or 10 miles southeast of Creedmoor, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Creedmoor, Wake Forest, Franklinton, Roseville, Youngsville, Falls Lake State Rec Area, Falls Lake Boat Ramp, and Pernal. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Franklin, Granville, and Wake.
thunderstorm warning for north central Harnett County, northeastern Lee County, southwestern Wake County, southeastern Chatham County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Stamford, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Fuquay Varina, Angier, Palm Springs, Morrisville, Crosswinds Boating Center, Crosswinds Campground, New Hill, and Raven Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, Lee, and Wake. Thunderstorm warning for Wayne County until 7 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Olive, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Mount Olive, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Pikeville, Eureka, Seven Springs, March Mac, Brogdon, and cliffs of the new state park. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Guilford County until 9:30 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen within the past hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greensboro, High Point, Jamestown, and Oak Hollow Marina. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Guilford, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pittsylvania County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chatham, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alta Vista, Hurt, Chatham, Gretna, Blair's, Mount Airy, and Dry Fork.